Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the basics working so you can practice immediately. Install Python 3.11 or newer and confirm with Python version, then create a virtualenv and activate it. Choose one IDE, enable linting and file save run. Learn core constructs, types, control flow, functions, and modules through small labs that automate simple tasks. Once done, write a script to parse logs. Make sure to use exceptions and logging so you build habit and confidence fast. Now push into applied cybersecurity tasks where Python earns its keep. You should learn sockets, HTTP mechanics, and TLS basics, then use Scapy to craft and inspect packets. Once comfortable, write parsers for JSON, XML, and JWTs and practice extracting indicators of compromise. Automate reconnaissance workflows, DNS queries, parsing and map output, and querying APIs for enrichment. Make sure to build safe, sandbox tests, and add unit tests so your tools remain reliable as they grow in complexity. Finish by hardening and integrating the scripts into real workflows. You should add input validation, secure secret handling, and rate limiting, then connect outputs to seam, webhooks, or scheduled jobs. Once done, test end-to-end with realistic sample data and verify performance. If things break, reproduce the issue on a small dataset, increase logging verbosity, and isolate components. Remember to iterate. Refactor common patterns into modules and keep documentation so you and teammates can maintain tools securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.